In a fast-paced and often chaotic world, achieving personal growth and success can seem like an elusive goal. Most people find themselves caught in the relentless pursuit of external validation, material wealth, and transient pleasures. However, there is a timeless philosophy that offers a path to enduring fulfillment and resilience in the face of life's challenges: Stoicism. Stoicism, founded in ancient Greece, has been practiced by some of history's greatest minds, from Seneca and Epictetus to Marcus Aurelius. This philosophy provides a roadmap to living a life of purpose, resilience, and wisdom. In this video, we'll explore 7 ways to get ahead of 98% of people by embracing Stoicism in your daily life. Define your values and goals. One of the fundamental principles of Stoicism is to clarify your values and set meaningful goals. Most people drift through life without a clear sense of purpose, often chasing ephemeral pleasures and societal expectations. Stoicism encourages you to reflect on what truly matters to you and set goals aligned with your core values. Start by identifying the virtues and principles that you hold dear, such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Once you have a clear understanding of your values, you can establish long-term goals that are in harmony with them. By doing so, you'll differentiate yourself from the majority who lack a clear sense of direction and purpose. Cultivate resilience. Life is full of challenges, setbacks, and adversity. How you respond to these obstacles is crucial in determining your success and well-being. Stoicism teaches you to embrace these difficulties with resilience and inner strength. Rather than dwelling on what's beyond your control, focus on what you can change, your attitude and responses. The Stoic concept of amor fati, or love of fate, encourages you to accept the ups and downs of life as opportunities for growth. By developing a mindset that views adversity as a chance to strengthen your character, you'll stand out from the majority who crumble under pressure or succumb to victim mentality. Master self-discipline. In a world where instant gratification is prevalent, self-discipline is a rare and valuable trait. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of self-control and delayed gratification. By learning to manage your desires and impulses, you can make choices that lead to long-term success. Avoiding impulsive decisions, whether in matters of finance, health, or relationships, sets you apart from those who constantly yield to their momentary whims. The Stoic practice of premeditatio malorum, or premeditation of evils, involves contemplating potential challenges and setbacks in advance. This mental exercise helps you prepare and act in a more controlled and disciplined manner. Embrace the present moment. The majority of people are plagued by regrets about the past and anxieties about the future, often missing out on the beauty and opportunities of the present moment. Stoicism encourages you to live in the here and now, appreciating what you have and making the most of it. The Stoic concept of carpe diem invites you to seize the day, recognizing that the present moment is all you truly possess. By practicing mindfulness and gratitude, you can break free from the cycle of stress and regret that entraps many and, instead, lead a more fulfilling life. Practice emotional intelligence. Stoicism teaches that your emotions are the result of your judgments and beliefs. By developing emotional intelligence, you can gain greater control over your reactions and enhance your interpersonal relationships. In a world where emotional outbursts and reactivity are commonplace, mastering your emotions sets you apart. Stoics use techniques such as the view from above to gain perspective on their emotions and situations. By stepping back and observing their feelings from an objective standpoint, they can respond more rationally and less impulsively. This approach not only helps you navigate life's challenges but also improves your communication and leadership skills, differentiating you from the emotionally reactive majority. Build resilience through adversity. Life's challenges, whether they be health issues, financial difficulties, or personal tragedies, can often be sources of profound growth. Stoicism teaches you to view adversity as an opportunity for transformation. Most people crumble under the weight of their difficulties, but you can stand out by using adversity as a stepping stone to personal development. Stoic practices like "the obstacle is the way" encourage you to confront adversity head-on, using it as a means to build resilience, inner strength, and wisdom. By approaching life's hardships with a Stoic mindset, you'll not only thrive in challenging times but also emerge stronger and more capable. Live a life of virtue. Stoicism places a strong emphasis on living a virtuous life. Virtue, according to Stoic philosophy, is the highest good and the ultimate source of fulfillment. While many people prioritize personal gain, reputation, and external success, embracing virtue as your guiding principle can set you apart. Stoic virtues include wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Practicing these virtues in your daily life ensures that your actions are in alignment with your values and principles. Living virtuously distinguishes you from the majority who prioritize materialism and self-interest, helping you lead a life of purpose and integrity. Stoicism offers a timeless and practical philosophy for achieving personal growth and success. By following these 7 principles, you can get ahead of 98% of people who live in pursuit of transient pleasures and external validation. Embrace Stoicism, define your values, cultivate resilience, master self-discipline, live in the present moment, practice emotional intelligence, build resilience through adversity, and live a life of virtue. In doing so, you will not only stand out in a crowd but also experience a deeper, more meaningful, and fulfilled existence. Stoicism provides a roadmap to a life well lived, where true success is measured by the contentment of one's soul rather than the accumulation of wealth and status. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest content. And remember, if you want to stay updated, be sure to ring that notification bell. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with your friends and family. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or suggestions for future videos. We love hearing from you. And last but not least, check out some of our other videos right here. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.